Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Learning Hub. So this video is all about an introduction to NLP guys. So I'm starting a new course. This is NLP. First let's talk about what is NLP. NLP is natural language processing. Okay, so this is one of the branch in artificial intelligence that will teach the computers to learn human language. So how the systems will learn human language, because the systems only understand the mission level language, not the human language. Using this NLP, we will make the systems to learn our language. So this involves mainly three areas. So those are neuro, linguistics, and programming. So firstly, let's talk about what is neuro, guys. So you can see in this Venn diagram, the first one is neuro. So neuro is nothing but understanding the context of the sentence. So mainly this neuro tells about the meaning or the context of the sentence. Okay, so the word meanings and all everything will be maintained in this neuro. This is natural human understandable knowledge. So this is what we speak in our daily life, the language. Okay, so and the next area is linguistics, guys. So what we will do in this linguistic is there are certain rules actually for particular generating the grammar. Okay, so here these are the rules for sentences. This involves the rules for grammar and rules how we apply rules to form the sentences or to know the meaning, exact meaning of the word. So this is linguistics, and the third one is programming, guys. So programming is where we will make missions understand our language using these rules. Okay, we will teach the systems or the computers to understand human language using these rules and the context or understanding the meaning. Okay, so that is about this Venn diagram, guys. Now we will talk about the importance of NLP in present industry. Guys, NLP is involved in every sector on this earth, every sector. Like for example, when you take health sector, health sectors actually doctors analyze the medical reports or else the patient records every day by using NLP only. So this NLP in health sector extracts the important information from reports like symptoms, diseases, or else the treatment details, etc. Okay, so in health sector and in banking sector, so in banking sector, NLP is used to detect the fraud patterns, and also automated customer support will be given by banks using NLP only. Okay, and in e-commerce platforms like Amazon will search in our language like the best iPhone or else the best budget laptop, like that. If you search, then the using NLP techniques, their backend systems will understand the context of what we search. Okay, so it analyzes the customer search and fetches the results. Okay, so that the best product in what context the user searches for an item, so in that context only these platforms will provide the items. Okay, so this is in this also we will be using NLP only. Okay, and in social media also, so NLP is used to detect harmful content in social in posts like in Facebook or else in Twitter. So when you post something or else in Instagram, when you post something, so the backend systems of the Instagram knowing the sentiment of the post or else the sentiment of the content that you uploaded in your social media account. Okay, so by knowing that account, that sentiment, so they will be detecting spam and also identifying trending topics. or else they can filter harm and abusive content, etc. So companies will like they companies will know what the public was understanding. Okay, so by understanding the public, companies can analyze or else make it decision making very good. And when it comes to legal industry is nothing but law. Okay, so professionals deals with actually large amounts of complex documents for their clients and all. So what they will do is using NLP, they will scan these documents and extract the important features like terms or else important terms. Okay, so this will reduce the manual workload of lawyers and all. Okay, and in education also, NLP is used to create personalized learning paths for students. They automatically evaluate answers and also study material generations, intelligent chatbots for any doubt solvings will be done using NLP only in educational also. So, and not only that, voice tech. For example, voice technologies like Siri and Alexa. So all these type of technologies comes uses NLP to understand what is the context of humans, whatever the query that was provided by humans. So they will understand what is the context and they will provide the results in the same context. Okay, so context is the main thing here, plays a key role to understand humans. Okay, so this is how the importance of NLP in every sector. Okay, guys.
That's it for today's session, guys. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new today. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next video. Happy coding.